Commission on Judicial Appointments is now in session.
This session of the Commission on Judicial Appointments was a statewide event available on Cal Channel to viewers all over California, broadcast and on the web. And it was an historic session on several levels. Attorney General Kamala Harris, California Chief Justice Tawny Cantil-Sakaue, and Justice Joan Dempsey-Klein comprised the commission, established in 1934.
You view the three of us up here. That's the historical aspect of this, among other reasons. And this is the first time in the history of this commission that there are three competent women sitting here today.
The next hour was full of praise for Governor Brown's nominee to be an Associate Justice on the California Supreme Court. 40-year-old Goodwin Liu on the UC Berkeley faculty and a nationally recognized constitutional law expert. He's a Rhodes Scholar who earned degrees from Stanford, Oxford, and Yale. 10 speakers raved about his positive qualities and accomplishments, and there were many letters of support.
Public service is part of Goodwin's DNA, and the court will be very lucky to have him for his many talents.
He's a delightful person, warm, friendly, and down to earth. Almost too good to be true, but yes, he's that good.
I read virtually all of the dozens, if not hundreds, of articles and speeches Professor Liu has written. I wanted to see if he exhibited any bias or political viewpoint which might interfere with his ability to act as a fair and impartial judge. I found none. Instead, what I found was the work of a brilliant legal scholar who rationally and even-handedly analyzed all issues presented to him, and who had a deep respect for the rule of law and for the U.S. and California constitutions.
No one spoke in opposition, but Justice Klein said some people were concerned because he'd never been a trial court judge. He answered, the role of an appellate judge is different than that of a trial judge.
Each level of the hierarchy simply does a different job, to which the members of that level bring specialized expertise. One has to, I think, as an appellate judge, have some humility with respect to the idea that the issue being decided has already been decided once.
The Judicial Nominees Evaluation Commission declared Professor Liu exceptionally well qualified, as did bar associations.
We're convinced Professor Liu will be an immediate asset to the Supreme Court.
Professor Liu was modest in his response.
Frankly, I'm overwhelmed, and I'm not here to offer rebuttal. I can only conclude that this has got to be the most pleasant and enjoyable judicial confirmation process anywhere in America.
Liu was referring to the grueling 2 years after President Obama nominated him to the federal bench. The nomination was blocked, and Liu ultimately withdrew his name. Governor Brown tapped Liu for California's high court soon after. The commission unanimously confirmed his appointment just 36 days after his nomination.
Vote to confirm.
Madam Chief Justice, it will be my honor to serve under your remarkable leadership, and I look forward to many years together.
Governor Brown administered the oath of office at the Capitol the next day. Voters will have a chance to retain Justice Liu in the 2014 election. I'm Leanne Kozak reporting in San Francisco for California Courts News.